home chefs obsessed with replicating fine dining meals and home chefs wanting to achieve success with every meal they cook will both benefit from cooking with the simple-to-use yet sophisticated specialty cooking modes. Sous vide. Sous vide is a gentle, low-fat technique for cooking meat, poultry, seafood, vegetables, eggs, and desserts in vacuum-sealed bags. Sous vide cooking is popular because it's easy, stress-free, and the perfect results are assured. Food can be seared and combined with other ingredients before being vacuum sealed. Once the food is cooked sous vide, it's ready to be enjoyed. Foods can also be vacuum sealed with a dry or a wet rub, slowly cooked sous vide, then removed from the bag and given a high heat finish on the teppanyaki, grill, or in the oven. These options make sous vide meals a popular choice for entertaining, as the meal can be prepared in advance, set to cook during the day, and be ready to serve for dinner without any additional work. The sous vide function also helps the home chef keep their refrigerator and freezer stocked with customized meals. Multiple meals can be prepared in advance, vacuum sealed in the Gaggenau vacuum sealing drawer, and quickly chilled or frozen using the fast freeze function in the Gaggenau freezer. Imagine fabulous food prepared to your taste, always at your fingertips, ready and easy to cook, using this combination of vacuum sealing with the sous vide function of your Gaggenau Combi-steam oven. A detailed guide of cooking times and temperatures for a wide variety of foods is listed in the user guide, ensuring chefs will always achieve the finest results with their recipes. Low temperature cooking, the most professional and reliable method for preparing lean, tender cuts of meat, fish, and poultry. Meats cooked in this manner retain unsurpassed juiciness during the longer cooking time that is accurately monitored by the core temperature probe. Meats can be seared prior to the low cooking mode or cooked at low heat, set to rest before being given a high heat finish on a hot grill or the teppanyaki or the hot oven. Once you master cooking in this mode, everything you cook on the grill will be amazing. No dried out burnt bits, meltingly tender texture with a delicious seared finish. Truly professional results. Small cuts of meat such as turkey or chicken breast, rack of lamb, small beef fillet or pork loin roast will cook in 35 to 45 minutes in this mode. Larger roasts will take substantially longer. For example, a 3-pound roast will cook in approximately 1 hour, and a 6 to 7 pound roast will cook in 2.5 to 3 hours. Timing is everything when you are cooking, and there's no guesswork with the Gaggenau Combi-steam oven because the accurate core temperature probe will give you the estimated cooking time and alert you when the cooking is complete. Foods most often cooked in this low temperature mode include prime rib, beef fillet roast, tri-tip, chicken and turkey pieces, leg of lamb, pork loin roasts, fresh sausages, and thicker cuts of fish. Refresh mode, the miracle mode that refreshes prepared foods without affecting color or flavor so that they taste freshly cooked. Pizza refreshed in the Combi-steam oven is a showstopper. Not only will the crust be crisp and the cheese will be evenly melted with no cold spots. Even previously cooked meals have a freshly cooked taste. In short, enjoyment of meals a second time round is assured when using this mode. Choose either the pre-programmed mode or customize the process with a temperature selection of 150 degrees to 300. The timing will depend upon the density of the food, but generally allows 7 to 12 minutes. Convenience foods such as popular side dishes like sweet potato gnocchi, fried rice, chicken stews, and vegetable grain bowls, designed for microwave or cooktop heating in a pan, can also be prepared in the oven, following package directions for timing. Defrosting. There are 2 crucial components to consider when freezing food: rapid effective freezing and gentle defrosting that won't compromise the quality of the food. Stocking the freezer with beautiful pieces of freshly caught fish or high-quality steaks is a great idea, but most important is the ability to defrost the food safely without partially cooking it. The defrost mode uses a low preset temperature and humidity setting to gently dissolve the ice crystals in the food without any textural compromise due to loss of natural juices. Proofing. Proofing at low temperatures is another valued tool from the professional kitchen that is ideal for rising yeast dough and fermenting sourdough. In the warm, humid environment of the gentle steam, the timing of the process is considerably shortened. Other functions for creating customized food at home include making yogurt, preserving, sterilizing jars, and extracting juice. In short, the home chef's dream and the exacting chef's perfect sous chef.